To allow for greater flexibility, a plugin allows you to create custom fields. Unlike the simple field, custom field can be a combination of multiple field types. First, you need to set label and slug for this custom field, and you can again set description, required mark, and a repeater. Next, the most important part is to add one or more elements to this field. Each element is practically a simple field. So you can set a label, slug, description, everything else, choose a type for this field and configure it. So let's create the address field. This field will need several elements, and first element will be street, and we will use a text field for that. We'll mark it as required, and the whole field will mark required. Next, we need the number. We'll set it as required, and we can set it as text or a number field. We can even limit it to full integer numbers, but if you want to enter to offer more flexibility, it's best to leave it as a text, because numbers don't need to be simple numbers in the address. So we'll leave it as a text field again. Now, new element, city, required, again text, and we'll enter a new element for country. And this element will be a select field, and for select field you can choose source to be item list or a function. If you choose a function, you will be able to select one of the predefined functions or generate your own functions via code. So we will select this element here. We'll use it as associative list. And that's it. You can drag and drop elements in this list, so you can change order for each element in the field. For now, that's it. We'll save this field, and finally you get a custom field that contains 4 elements for street, number, city, and country. With custom fields, you have option to use repeater. You can practically set the whole field as a repeater, but each individual element inside the field can also be repeated. So you can have an option to enter a list of different elements inside a single field, and in the same time that field can be repeated more than once. So we will see that later when we are building meta boxes, and you will see how each field can be used to enter additional data, and how repeaters can be effectively used. So if you now set this field, let's call this example, we'll set it as a repeater, and even we can set it to allow 3 times the same field to be created. And let's use color, and allow user to enter more than one color. And the second field can be, I don't know, something like font awesome icon, for instance. And we can set it as a repeater also. So, a combination of custom fields with repeater and containing elements that are also repeaters can be very useful to allow adding additional data into your meta boxes.